Good morning, baby. How did you sleep? Not too cold? Good, good. Come here a little closer. I need my morning cuddles. That's better. Don't you agree? No, it's still going, but it's a little calmer, so let's hope it'll die down completely. I really want to continue our drive as soon as possible. I know, baby, but I'm just scared that something might happen. I mean, I trust my driving skills, and I have driven in bad weather before. It's just. I just don't want anything bad to happen to you, love. Yes, and to me too, of course. Do you have any idea what you would like to do while we wait? We should probably eat something too. We packed some food yesterday, right? Okay, I'll go grab our packs from the car and take a look. And hopefully make something edible out of the stuff we've got. Sounds good. I'll be right back. Jesus, it's so foggy and windy. We're definitely not going anywhere yet. It's way too risky. Let's see. Ah, there they are. I hope we've got something that I can actually cook or heat up for us at the very least. I don't remember what we packed at all. God, I wish for the storm to die down soon. It's so freaking cold outside. True, true. But here, let's go through what we did pack. Oh, we've got bread and peanut butter, some candies and other snacks. So I could make us peanut butter sandwiches. How's that? And maybe hot cocoa, since we have chocolate as well. I'll have to use water, though. Is that okay? Great. Now let's see if there's a fireplace safe kettle somewhere around here for us to actually be able to make it. Aha, found you. You can wait at the table with the chocolate and the water. I'll get some more wood for the fireplace. We're gonna need to get the flames really going for this to work. What was that? Nah, you can just relax and cozy up right there. Thanks, though. Yes, honey, I'm sure I want to do this. You make breakfast for us every morning. It's my turn now. Different setting, though, but still. Are you sure the water's fine? We can add the cocoa then. Nor I can make another warm drink, if that's what you prefer. Alright then, if you're sure. Alright, let's get this into the kettle and then over the fireplace to heat it up. Then we cut the chocolate. We add some water in the third cup. And in goes the chocolate, which needs to be added while we stir gently. Finally, we add the rest of the hot water to the mix. What? You don't like me narrating the steps like Gordon does? Fair. He's got the accent. Well, how about I hum then? How dare you mock my humming skills? I know, sweets. It's okay. How about you listen to the crackling fireplace then while I finish up on the breakfast? Deal. How are you feeling? That's good. And it seems that the storm has died down too. So I think we should definitely hit the road. Yeah, we should all pack our stuff first. Good thing I cleaned up after we ate. Let's go, sweetie. Let's hit the road. Seatbelt, honey. Hey, honey, how are you feeling about yesterday? It doesn't bother you anymore, right? I'm still really sorry about what I said. Are you sure? Yeah, it has been bothering me. I never want to hurt you or snap at you. I just feel bad. I know we made up and all. I just feel bad for lashing out like that. I know how hard breakups can be, especially if you've been cheated on. And all of my friends were there for me, including you. And here I am lashing out because you do the same for someone else. And for what? Because I was frustrated and scared. But that's not an excuse. Maybe you're right. Maybe I am overthinking things. And we're all right now. But again, I didn't mean it. If she needs you, then it's more than okay that you're there for her. Even if we made some plans which changed because of that. Oh, it's Mom. You want to answer and put it on speakerphone? Hey, Mom. Yes, we're on our way right now. Is everything ready? Need any help? Alright, see you soon then, yeah? We love you too. Bye for now. Yes, of course you can. You don't need to ask. You can choose that too. But if I may suggest something. Christmas music? To set the mood and all. But only if it's okay and you want it to. Great. You want to press the doorbell? No reason. Just thought you might want to do it. Hey, Mom. Thank you. Looks so cozy with the trees and lights. Where's Dad? Alright. How are things with you guys? You sure you don't need any help with setting things up or last minute touches or something? No, we do not need to look at my childhood pictures, Mom. No, you have seen them so many times already. We can do something else if Mom really doesn't need any help. How about watching some Christmas shows? I know we do it every year, but that's like the whole point. Grinch, right? Because, baby, I know you all too well. I'll put it on. There we go. You want to get closer to cuddle up? Mm-hmm. Better. Sure, Mom. Go ahead, baby. I'll join you in a second. Hey, Dad. Food's ready. No, it's alright. Is everything okay? Agreed. I can hear Mom getting impatient already. Alright, here we are. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. Yeah, of course. I was scared too, thinking you wouldn't be making it, but I'm glad that's not the case. Merry Christmas. Here's your plate, babe. It was a delicious meal, as always. Just the same this year, too, though. The whole family couldn't make it. Also, Mom, thank you for letting us use the cottage yesterday. It was scary, yes, but we made it. Yeah, me too. Dad, I told you guys we don't need anything. Yeah, no shit. You want to unwrap it, babe? Holy sh... Thanks, guys. What do you mean? It's a painting of the both of us. And this watch. This brand could not have been cheap at all. Well, I... Thanks. We love it. Right, babe? Well, okay. I need to admit we got something for you guys, too. Yeah, whatever. Here. Yes, sir. It's a radio player for your workshop, or wherever you want to use it, really. I remember you eyeing this one last time we saw each other, and the both of us chipped in to get this for you. You don't have to say anything. We know. And this one's for you, Mom. They wanted to get you some jewelry. I don't know much about it or what you like. And the books are from me, since you love reading so much. The photo album is for new memories and new pictures, for you to have a place to store them. You're welcome. I need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back in a jiff. All right. I think it's time. Deep breaths. Why am I so nervous? It's not like I'm asking the absolute love of my life to marry me and spend the rest of their life with me. Maybe I should talk this over with Dad beforehand. Hell, he proposed to Mom after all. No, no backing down anymore. This is it. Just get out there and do it. Yeah, that will have to do. Deep breath. One more time. Hey, I'm back. And could I get everyone's attention, please? Everything is okay. I just. Babe, yesterday made me realize something. Even in a storm, even when things don't go as planned, there's no one else I'd rather be with. You are my home and my safe space. I have been the happiest that I've been for the longest time since we got together. You have always been there for me in my most vulnerable moments, whenever I was stressed or otherwise. Even when I broke up with my ex, you were there for me before anyone else. We've got our ups and downs, but I truly love you. And I hope you know that. And now that everyone that I love and hold close to my heart is here with us, I'm gonna go down on one knee and open this box. And I have one more question for you. Babe, sweetheart, love of my life, would you marry me? Honey, are you Is that a yes then? Give me your hand. There. Come here. I love you too. Yeah, I was planning on this since the beginning. The storm almost ruined this moment. Don't worry about that. You deserve it. And the best. Thanks, Mom. Dessert sounds heavenly. Thanks, Dad. And, babe, I can't wait to start this new chapter of our lives with you. Merry Christmas.